Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to today's X-Celerate session. My name is Siobhan Gondon, and I'm a solutions consultant at IS3, part of the technical support team. In today's session, I'm going to showcase and broaden your understanding of AVEVA Unified Operations Centre, more commonly referred to as UOC. The key points we'll be targeting in this presentation is the drive to unify, enterprise visualization, content library, industrial starter graphics, and leveraging the AVEVA portfolio. What is AVEVA Unified Operations Centre? AVEVA Unified Operations Centre is an enterprise visualization solution for creating intelligent operation centers based on a system of systems approach. AVEVA Unified Operations Centre brings together operations technology, information technology, and engineering technology. A single pane of glass software environment provides actionable information in context to industrial operations. There is a drive to unify our operations and transform our enterprise operations by increasing visibility and accessibility to context-driven, actionable information. Achieving value from data. To remain competitive, decision makers require an enhanced layer of intelligence, ensuring that an organization's data is utilized to the maximum extent it can. Collaboration challenges. Organizations lack collaboration across different departments. Information is dispersed in multiple systems and data sources, and decision makers lack timely visibility into operation performance metrics at scale. Complex decision trees. Many organizations have spent the last decade optimizing the low-hanging fruit and now require more robust analytics to tackle complex challenges that span more areas. What is enterprise visualization? While supervisory visualization, or HMI SCADA, focuses on closed process operations, enterprise visualization like AVEVA Unified Operations Centre is for teams and users with organization-wide strategic responsibilities above the plant or process level. It makes content available through a visual presentation environment in which diverse information sources converge to provide actionable information in context for operations and performance management. AVEVA's enterprise visualization interface solution is adjustable for different use cases and can seamlessly connect to both third-party applications and the entire software portfolio. AVEVA's enterprise visualization solutions are designed to take a high-level perspective, focus on consolidating content, providing enriched data in content, enabling a connected workforce, and creating an optimum operating environment for decisions. Next, we look at convergence of information that necessitates change. Basically, here we ask ourselves, is there an end-state vision? How will we operate? How will the different teams work? If we look at the different departments at the bottom, we have the IT, business applications, the OT, traditional automation, and the industrial IoT and engineering. If we start with the IT, here we're looking at establishing a comprehensive view of impacts. Here we'll be looking at questions like, how do I visually unify all my scattered data that exists in silos? With the OT, we focus more on ensuring operational resilience and continuity, so where can I minimize rip and replace when evolving my OT landscape? And lastly, the industrial IoT and engineering. We look at filling gaps and enabling new insights, so what architectural flexibility is necessary to transform. All these need to be aligned, and all these workers need to be connected to achieve this. From data streams to video feeds, from OT to IT to ET, convergence is a key to making sense of a growing amount of diverse information assembled from across the business. Equipping your enterprise teams with the near real-time visibility provides a holistic data-driven perspective, whether that means correlating weather impacts on a power generation, driving asset optimization between facilities, or load balancing production in the face of variable supply chain. With the AVEVA Operations Centre, you can converge and visualize a combination of process metrics, maintenance analytics, engineering documentation, financial performance, or anything in between. You are also provided with a 360-degree view of operations through enterprise visualization. From a business analyst from the IT to executive from the OT, And lastly, the reliability engineer in the industrial IoT. Each of these have their own requirements. Your business analysts will require the LIMS database and their ERPs, etc. The executive will need their HMI SCADA software, some camera views, historian, and reporting like reports for operation. The reliability engineer would need access to documents like your 2D, 3D, or which could reference your AVEVA E3D or simulation packages. The maintenance data and maps can also be utilized. AVEVA Unified Operations Centre delivers a consolidated environment to help you make informed decisions. Your teams can access an enhanced layer of intelligence where data works in service of organizational goals, guiding your strategic operational activities from end to end. We have the virtual user. This is the executive, strategic analyst, and third-party use case emphasizing independent interaction and analysis of operational activities, KPIs, and associated information for decision support. Next, we have the Center of Excellence. This is an experienced group forming a remote operations center tasked with driving performance, coordinating operations, or responding to issues that are escalated by site-based personnel or automated notification systems. And lastly, we have the Centralized Operations Center. Command-centric operations facility or control tower with a comprehensive view of the supply chain from end to end that optimizes operational activities on a macro level regionally or globally. Let's look at the enterprise performance visibility in real time. We drill down by site to individual asset using the hierarchy navigation and intuitive visualization. You merge data types to understand deeper context between various aspects of operations. The real-time visibility to critical events as they occur, improving responsiveness. Innovative approach to alarm management, emphasizing actionable alerts. A holistic view of impacts from upstream and downstream operation, disruptions or outages. And detailed operational analysis to maximize efficiency and ensure resource availability. The concepts and data behind supervisory visualization and enterprise visualization can be quite similar. Asset models, KPIs, graphics, and screen layouts used in supervisory applications benefit users with added context. However, the key goal of supervisory visualization is the targeted control of a process, that is, activating equipment, shutting valves, or other actions that have a real physical implications and must account for safety and process-specific intent. Enterprise visualization focuses more on the management and aggregation of information from various sources to make decisions that are beyond the scope and visibility of teams operating near the process. These distinctions can be further broken down into different types of operational centers between supervisory and enterprise visualization. Based on functional use, this means that the more focused an application is to the precise process equipment, viability, and operation of these aspects, the more aligned it is to the functional discipline. Applications with the broader view become cross-functional and look at the wider value chain performance and implications of the business. Let's look at the different operation centers. If we look on the left of the axis, we have our supervisory visualization, focusing majorly on the control side of operations. Firstly, we have the integrated operation centers. This is mainly used to combine multiple disparate control systems into an integrated management system for command and control of operations throughout the entire value chain if required. To the bottom left, we have the process control room, used by most modern operations today to manage all control functions within a single operating site or plant, typically applied on a single SCADA or DCS network focused on OT data. Now to the right-hand side, we move to the enterprise visualization, where we look at a more management. At the bottom right, we have the Center of Excellence, used to solve specific complex problems that can be applied across the business by consolidating experts. Examples include APM, rotate equipment, ESG compliance, and process optimization. And lastly, at the top right, we have the Centralized Operations Centre, which is used as an enterprise-level system converging IT, OT, ET data across the entire business value chain, aiding in business decision support and dispatching operational commands. The UOC Content Library is a multi-pane, multi-layered application that consists of reusable graphics, widgets, and symbols, along with integrated apps to customize the solution. It features an out-of-the-box industry-generic example application, demonstrating the new graphical content, widgets, integrations, dashboards, responsive layouts for the OMI web client, and more. These templates, graphics, and the starter application help to collate information and provide real-time and historical metrics. These metrics are represented as a pre-configured dashboards in the form of charts and composed of key performance indicators. The UOC Content Library is flexible enough to modify the solution to represent your organizational framework. The Content Library dashboard consolidates data with a high degree of granularity and precision. Users can access their system's actual operational efficiency and cost effectiveness in a truly scalable fashion. Information can be viewed at a global level, and users can quickly drill down to a single process or piece of equipment. It is integrated with solutions like Pi Vision, Data Hub, Power BI, Scheduler, Sankey, and other OMI apps, which make the application unique for customization. The Sustainability Dashboard provides an overview of resource usage, energy consumption, carbon emissions, and sustainability index in an organizational unit or across regions. Users can extend the UOC Content Library by integrating it with different additional software applications to collect, validate, and publish information for monitoring and analysis. Let's look at some of the AVEVA products that are integrated with the UOC Content Library. We have the GIS Map app. We have the Alarm app. We have the Doc Viewer app. We have the Scheduler app. We have the Teamwork widget, the Pi Vision app, the Screen Capture and Print app. We have the Sankey Diagram app. We have the Power BI app. And we have the Video Viewer app. We also have this Density Chart widget and the Navigation app. UOC for Content Library is integrated with AVEVA OMI apps and other applications that offer monitoring possibilities and incident report capabilities. The table lists the apps that are supported for web client, view app, and mobile app. The following are the AVEVA OMI apps that require an AVEVA Flex license. AVEVA Unified Operations Centre comprises several AVEVA software components combined in a comprehensive enterprise visualization solution. These are supplemented by industry-centric starter templates that provide a jumpstart on development for customers focused on that industry. On the bottom layer, we have our AVEVA operations and control software. Here we're looking at the platform and visualization, comms drivers, historical data, and reporting. The next layer is our features and capability. Here we focus on extensile apps and tools, different integrations, different user interfaces. The final layer is the industry-specific content. Here we have specific industry graphics in our starter applications, content library, and our framework navigation and scripting of the system. What is an industry starter template? Industry templates for AVEVA Unified Operations Centre are pre-assembled jumpstart applications that include out-of-the-box design, templates, objects, scripting, graphics, and connectors applicable to the designated industry. The templates provide initial pre-built content for common functionality that can accelerate the creation of an AVEVA Unified Operations Centre project. This content can be customized per project specifications and expanded to cover many needs. The Unified Operations Center industry templates address several use cases and provide specific examples across industries such as oil and gas, infrastructure and smart cities, data centers, power, and mining. The smart cities unify city services in support of daily situational awareness. The renewable power oversees fleet of solar and wind assets in context to visualize their generation contribution. The water template manages geographically dispersed and vital water operations, and the data center achieves a multi-layered view of global data center health. The mining enables agile decisions across the entire mining value chain. And lastly, the midstream oil and gas proactively resolve pipeline events and promote safety. A wide variety of information can be consolidated through AVEVA Unified Operations Centre, including third-party data sources and other purpose-built AVEVA software products. Let's take a look at a few of them. UOC can be integrated with AVEVA 3D Asset Visualization. Here it's graphics engines that explores physical assets using 3D to get inside a process digitally, without losing the context to associated engineering and operation information. We have AVEVA Manufacturing Execution System, which is the leading MES software for CPG manufacturing with integrated production, inventory, and quality operation management capabilities. We have AVEVA Production Management, which is a drive-informed response to mining production and sustainability events, enabling root cause analysis and visibility for identifying improvement opportunities. We have AVEVA Unified Supply Chain, which is a single application that manages crude assays, planning, scheduling, distribution optimization, and process models in the refining and petrochemical value chain. We have AVEVA Asset Information Management, which aggregates, catalogs, and contextualizes engineering asset data from multiple information sources and systems for consolidated access. And lastly, we have AVEVA Predictive Analysis, which is an AI-powered predictive maintenance software to maximize asset reliability and prevent unplanned downtime. The Unified Operations Center is based on a hybrid system of system structure, meaning it doesn't replicate the information acquired from other applications. It connects to and layers over the top. The Unified Operations Center is a vendor-agnostic software solution and uses these existing systems as a data source, pulling the information together using various industry and internet standard protocols, applying context between the data source defined in the configuration and visualizes it for the user. This approach helps manage the complexity of information regardless of what is being pulled. It ensures compliance and standards including cybersecurity. It maintains minimal impacts to other systems, and it mitigates costs associated with custom-built applications. As you can see, we have a diverse set of visualization across the enterprise. We have information feeding to the UOC Center from all different software packages and conversions of OT, IT, and ET data for collaborative value, including to AVEVA Data Hub and utilizing Connect Visualization, where we compose dashboards using custom and predefined content. Let's take a look at a quick UOC for mining demo. This brief demo for UOC for mining is presented on a single screen, but the UOC model allows for displays over multiple screens. It can also be adapted for other formats for tablet and mobile devices. The map shows multiple sites with matrix. In this example, we can see 2 mine sites with the concentrator. The left and bottom layers show the enterprise-level KPIs for safety, sustainability, fleet performance, and production. These are reflective of the combined performance for all assets. Integrated to Power BI allows users to visualize new and existing reports in the UOC. Here is an example of the mining-specific Power BI sustainability dashboard embedded in the UOC. Back to the home screen, we can drill down into a specific mine using the map. This takes us to a summary screen for that specific mine site, where operational metrics at a more granular level are shown for safety, performance, and sustainability. This example of the UOC mining has focused on fleet management and has been designed to show the status of several different types of equipment. Selecting the trucks reveals a dashboard. The UOC is designed to draw users' attention to values that are out of range by highlighting them. The users can then focus their attention on the assets and drill down further. Another key integration is with the PI system. The hierarchy and data shown at the truck fleet and truck detail level is provided by the PI system event. The event view data from PI is presented in a grid view specific to that truck. If needed, the PI Vision screens can also be integrated in context to leverage your existing investment in the PI system. The concentrator view shows the end-to-end view from the ROM stockpiles to the concentrator stockpiles. Selecting the equipment on the screen reveals additional contextual information for that specific piece of equipment, such as manufacturing specific data like model and power rating. At any time, you can toggle between the light and dark themes depending on the user's preference. Production management is the key part of any mining solution, and this demo is integrated with production management solution. For example, selecting the ROM stockpile shows the inventories and grades. The Pareto chart displays the downtime data by location. We can also display more granular downtime information in a grid to allow for further analysis. If you would like to learn more about UOC, you can use the link aveva.com/UOC, where you can explore more information on the UOC product and get any new developments on the software package. Lastly, if you would like to learn more about any of our products, please make your way to our Customer Experience Center, where you can find interactive demonstrations to showcase the power of our portfolio and how it can help your business achieve its goals. As you can see in the background, we showcase a multi-screen UOC demo. Our Customer Experience Center is located at our offices in Waterfall Office Park in Midrand. For those interested in scheduling a visit or learning more, please visit our website www.is3.co.za. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this presentation, and I hope it was beneficial and informative to you. We look forward to seeing you soon.